Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprints.com with your host, Billy. If you are new here, we are a channel that bringing you business ideas, strategy, business blueprints for you to try and start. Our team has spent many hours and conduct this research that I have in this video for you. We have a great one today, one of my personal favorites, and this is the same strategy that we are doing. So if you can do me a small favor, just hit the like button. If you like the channel, subscribe so you don't miss out more ideas in the future. And if you have any ideas you want us to research and find out the blueprint, please drop them in the comment section. So for today, how to make money blogging. It is possible to earn cash via blogging, okay? So how would it be done? Did you know some folks make thousands of bucks with their blogs? That's more than 600 million blogs online, and it is now considered a worthwhile career. Hundreds of thousands of dollars are made, and folks do it every day. Some bloggers make money via affiliate marketing or social media sites, but others also sells ebooks or do drop shipping. One thing is some people take a few years to get established, while others make the money right away via ads. For example, Adam Enfroy began his blog, AdamEnfroy.com, in 2019 and made about 200K. But by next year, he got popular and make it over 800K. Of course, we can't all be Adam, but it is still possible to make some extra income via blogging. Bloggers do everything from selling courses online to hosting a podcast, doing affiliate marketing, selling your own products on services, etc. It needs to be taken serious. Take it like a business, not just a hobby if you expect to make some money. You need to have a good strategy to start off. So your first step to pick the right niche is to get into with your blog. Don't just go into your favorite hobby. You should Google profitable niches and go from there. It should be great if you found a blog about new emerging popular products, and then you can make some income via dropship or selling these products via affiliate marketing on your blog, like site like ClickBanks or CJ, while providing content related to the products. For example, if you're talking about photography on your blog, you can do an article on new types of cameras or lenses and try to get the company to let you sell them via your ads or blog. Most companies have an affiliate platform. You can easily do Canon affiliate program on Google. You can use keyword tools such as SEMRush or my favorite, Ahrefs, to research the popular keyword in your chosen field. Some of the blogs that have been popular including travel blogs, blog for new moms, food blogs, and etc. You can make a few thousand of bucks a month once you get established. Step 2, be your own CEO for your own blog. It is vital to have a good business plan. For example, if you don't have to be the one writing everything. You can hire a writer to do the blog, and most likely they do a better job than you. This leaves you time to do the business, have with the blog, like establish your budget, goal setting, research for articles, topic, and products. Step 3, speaking of budget, you need to set up yours, okay? You need to figure out how much income to pay your writer. For instance, posts should be 1,000 or 2,000 words, so you can pay either per post or by words. Or another fee is how much your web hosting is, how much your internet service charge. If doing affiliate marketing, you have to budget for buying a product so you can review it properly. Plus, of course, there are maintaining fees, money spent to take classes so you get better in your niche. Example, taking photography class, then passing the knowledge to other readers. There are a lot of go into making a blog profitable. Step 4, get some organic traffic coming to your blog. You can't focus on just traffic from your paid reader, the ones who buying the affiliate market product or paying for your how-to books or attending your photography lesson online. This is why you need to research keywords so people can find you on Google search. Google ranks websites on how relevant their topic. So if you have a good photography blog, you don't want to be selling items like baby supply or food, since they have nothing to do with photography. You also want people to come there and read your content and then offer a topic they need that are relevant to your niche. They come to read them and may end up buying something, which in turn make you more money. But they won't keep coming if you're posting the wrong kind of content that have nothing to do with your topic. So how to get organic traffic? First, of course, your family, friend, your social media that like and will support your blogs. You can market yourself by writing get posts, start reading other blogs in your niche, and try to copy their successful tactic. Also, turn your blogs into videos, post it on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Try to get as much as free traffic as you could. Number 5, create an email list. Ask your reader to join your email list. It's been shown that email campaigns have a good ROI, return on investment. Statistics shows more than 80% of internet marketers with blogs use email to send out contents or advertise for their blog. Be sure to group your email list into a separate category for each reader. Example, ones that love camera get sent content for new cameras, but the ones that prefer how-to articles like learning to draw or take photos better get sent advertised to your upcoming classes. Step 6. Always look for other ways to get traffic to your blogs. You can do this by via social media, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram. A great way to bring in new blog readers is to use some visual means like video you make showing off your talent. Be sure to use attractive words like keywords and hashtag which leads reader to your blogs. According to Growth Badger, 3 of the most vital channels to market your blogs are Facebook, Google, and email. Step number 7. You need to create your own community via creating Facebook group. This can put you in the fast track to more traffic and selling more items to make more money. Within this community, you provide reader tips, tricks, advice, info on products, etc. You should advertise these things outside of the internet for best results, so other knows about your blog and will talk about your blog to other people. Step number 8. Create a social media profile. You need this channel if you want a successful blogging business. You need to find a way to get sponsors, such as doing product reviews relevant to your niche. To do this, you need to get brands to sponsor you, which may be hard to begin with, but in time, if you have a professional and persistence, it can happen. To do that, you need to create a blog full of relevant content that is professional and uses the right hashtags and keywords. Don't fall into the trap of buying followers, as Google will end up banning your blog since they are fake and do nothing for your reputation. Google want to see a lot of your followers that are really interacting with you, buying your products, and reading your content regularly. So after explaining all that, how can you really earn money online blogging? What are the proven methods? You can do many things besides these above, such as offering consulting inside your niche, selling ad space on your blog, selling ebooks on your topic, doing drop shipping, affiliate program, doing live stream, etc. Beginners may not make a lot of cash doing blog, but in time, all this work and professionalism will all stack up and compound. So I think at the end, if you can combine blogging and YouTube and build up your nest egg of content, you will be great setting yourself up toward a great future. Again, this is MakeMoneyBlueprint.com with your host, Billy. I hope we have provided you with value today. Jumpstart a few light bulb business idea on your mind. Again, if you like this video, please do us a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe for more posts in the future. This is Billy. I'll catch you on the next video.